Hello students, good morning to all. Last class we talked about addition and subtraction. I hope you understood both addition and subtraction. Today let me see some other again some examples of subtraction sum. Example 2, already last video we talked example 1. So another example of subtraction sum. Let us see the total population of country. The total population of country, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 8 crore, 32 lakhs, 48,000. This is the total population of country. Okay. So if the number of female, like female count is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So 3 crore, 88 lakh, 43,175. This is the female count. Okay. So what is the sum? Find number of males in a country. What is the sum? We want to find out male count in a country. So how to find out? So there is some formula was there. In this, based upon this sum, we have make some formula like this. See, total population we know. We have total populations 8 crore, 32 lakhs, 48,000. Okay. So we have total population count. Number of female counts also we have 3 crore 88 lakh 43,175. Now we want to find out the female count. So we have two count, total count and female count. Now we want to male count. How to find out? So we required male count. So we know total population. So how we get male count? Total population minus subtract female count, then we can get male count. So this is the formula, like number of males is equal to total population subtraction number of females. So we get male count. So how do we do that? So what is the total population of country? So 8, 3 to 48,000. Okay, minus what is the female count? 3, 88,000. Sorry, 88 lakh 43,175. This is the female count. So when if we subtract total count minus female count, we will get male count. Okay, we will do that. Okay, let me solve this. Let me find out the male count. Okay, how to find out? Listen. Here they have they given minuend and subtrahend. We want to find out the difference. The difference is the male count. Okay. So minuend is upside, subtrahend is the downside. So I already told you, if minuend is a big number, the subtrahend is small number, no need to borrow nearby number. We can easily subtract. Now say the minuend. So before that, always when we do addition and subtraction, start from left to right. So here like ones place to start ones place to highest place value system. Okay. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This is the place value system, already we know. So we always start addition subtraction from ones place. So ones place we know this is the ones place. So upside minuend it says subtrahend. Okay, it says these all are minuend, these all are subtrahend. Okay, so minuend, I told you minuend always big number, but subtrahend always small number. Easily we can subtract. But here see 0 minus 5. We can't subtract 5. So what we can do? We have to borrow one nearby number. But here there is no value. Here also 0. So we will try to borrow nearby number. So there is here also there is no value. So here also 0. So we will try to 1 here. Okay. So here 8 is there. If borrow 1, it will 7. Okay. So the 1 comes here. Now 10. But we want to transfer this place. So I will transfer 1 here. So here 9. Okay. Again 1 paused here, but I want to 1 here. So I will cross and put 9 1 here. So borrow 1, now 10. So now many hand higher big value, subtract small value. So we can subtract 10 minus 5, we got 5. Difference is 5. Okay, already it was 0, but now 9. So 9 minus 7, 2. Okay. So here 9 minus 1, 8. You can easily understand. Okay. Now 7 minus 3, 5. Sorry, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. So 4. 4 is the difference. 4 minus 4, 0. We already talked about the subtraction rules now. So the subtrahend and minuend and subtrahend both are same. The difference is 0. So here minuend and subtrahend both are same. So difference is 0. So here minuend 2, but subtrahend 8. So we cannot subtract because minuend smaller than subtrahend. So we need to borrow nearby the number. So nearby number, what number is there? 3. So we have to borrow 1 here. So here 2, here 12. So 12 minus 8, we got 4. Difference is 4. Okay, here 2. Again 2, here 4, 8. We cannot subtract. So we borrow nearby number 1. So here 7, here 12. 12, 8. 12 minus 8, we know already 4. Here 7 minus 3. So 4. So this is the male count. So this is the difference. So now we have to take and write final answer like this. So total, first we write female count. Female, we know already 388,43175. Okay. 3,88,43,175. So male count, we got answer na. So male count 4,44,04,825. Okay. So 304 here. Okay. 4 crore 44 lakhs 4,825. Okay, we got male count. Okay, let we check our answer is correct or not. How we can check? Yes, if you add this your difference which you have find out the answer, that difference that answer plus that female count, if you can add, you will get one total. That total and the total population is, if it is same, your answer is right. Do you understand what I am telling? See, you find the difference. It's a male count. Okay. If you want to check your answer is right or wrong, okay, how you can check? You can check like this. If you can add female count and your answer male count. Both if you add, you will get one answer. That answer and your already they given total population answer. If both are same, your answer is correct. Let me check. Okay, it's a female count already they given. This is the male count. Now we find out. Okay, so already we found out. We will check is it right or wrong. Okay, how to check? So we will add. So it's a female count, it's a male count. 5 plus 5, 10. 0, that remainder 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10, 0, remainder 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. So 10, 0, remainder 1. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Okay? It's not straight, so don't confuse. Now 4 plus 0, 4. So 8 plus 4, 12. 12 to remainder 1. Okay. 9 plus 4, 13. 13, remainder 1. So 4 plus 4, 8. So we got answer. Now we will check our total population. Our total population is 8. So here 8, 3, 3, 2, 2, 4, 4, 8, 8, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, both are same. So which answer, which difference we have find out? We have to add the male count and female count. We got one answer. That answer and our total population we have to check. If both are same, our answer male count is right. This is the way you can check your answer. Is it right or wrong? Okay. Okay. Let me see the exercise sum. First sum. The sum is the sum of two number. Sum of two number is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 7 crore, 28 lakh, 11,500. This is the sum of the two number. They add two number. This is the total. Okay. So they given the two number. They given one number in that two number. Okay. What is the sum? What is the question? We want to find out the another number. Okay. Let us. I will tell you some example. See. 5, 4. This is the one number. This is another number. I got answer 9. Okay. So this is simple example. First you understand. This is one number. This is another number. So I add both two number. I got this is the answer. So now see. I gave this two number. I gave the total number 9. I gave another the one number. In the two number, I gave one number. Now we want to find out this number in this place. Which number will come? We want to find out this. This is the meaning like this sum. So they give total. They given one number. The sum of two numbers. They given one number. Then another number we want to find out. This is the meaning. Okay. So let me find out how to find this kind of sum. So this is the total. This is the another one number. That two number, the another one number. Okay. So first we will subtract from this to this. We already saw one example sum. The same method. This also. Okay. Let me write first 0, 0, 5, 1, 1, 8, 2, 7. Another this number 7, 9, 2, 9, 9, 6, 5, 2. So no need to write ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. We already know. Okay. If you want, you can write and write this number. Okay. You can write number. If you want the table, you just draw the table and write the ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore like this. Then after you place these values. Okay. But we already know, so no need to write that draw the table. Okay. See, now I am going to subtract the total number from that one number. Okay. Then we got one answer. That is the second number. So this is the one number. This is the total. So it's a minuend, this is subtrahend. Okay, whenever we subtract, we know that three words is important words. I already told you. Subtrahend is a big number. Sorry, minuend is this upside number. Subtrahend is the downside number. The total is a difference. Okay. Okay. Now I already told you here. You always, if it is big number, we can easily subtract. If there is no big number, if it is small, we need to borrow nearby number. So here also no value, here value. So it was 5, now become 4. So the 1 transfer here. So now the value 0. So it become 1 here comes. So 10. So we want to transfer here. So now it becomes 9. Here 1. Now 10. So 10 minus 7, we got difference is 3. Okay, 9 minus 9 is this place. We have to remember one rule. When minuend and subtrahend both are same, the difference is 0. So 9 minus 9, 0. Already we know. Okay. So 4 minus 2, difference is 2. So 1 minus 9, we can't subtract. So we need to borrow. So here here 0, it becomes 0, here 1. So 11. 11 minus 9, 2. Okay. So 9, 10, 11. Okay. So 2. Here 0. So we cannot subtract. So we need to borrow 1 from here. So here becomes 7. Here 10. 10 minus 9. So we got difference 1. Okay. 7 minus 6. Again we got 1. So 2 minus 5. We cannot subtract. So we need to borrow nearby number. So here becomes 6. Here 12. So 12 minus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 is the difference. Okay, 6 minus 2, 4. This is the another second number. So they given one number. We want to find out the second number. This is second number. Let me check our answer is right or wrong. How to check? The total and first number. If we add the total, we got some another answer. We have to check the total number that our new answer. If both are same, our answer is right. Let me check. So this is the our new answer. This is the this is the new answer. This is the first number. Okay. So first we take here. First we write 4, 7, 1, 1, 2, 0, 3. This is the first number. So 7, 9, 2, 9, 9, 6, 5, 2. We will add. Okay. So 7 plus 3, 10, remainder 1. So 10, remainder 1, 5, 11, remainder 1, 11, remainder 1, 8, 7 plus 5, 12, remainder 1, 7. So this is the our new answer. We have to compare this. So this is the total count. So we have to check 7, 7, 2, 2, 8, 8, 1, 1, 5, 0, 0. So both are same. So our answer is right. Okay.